Okay. The mechanic here found the problem in 10 seconds. Oh yeah, he already. All right, I told him what happened yesterday out on the ocean, got towed in by sea tow, blah blah blah. You know that everything filled up with smoke. You know the cab, the engine compartment. You know, basically thought I was gonna. You know, I thought it was on fire, but it wasn't the case. It was just steam, and here it is. Let's see. But it's a 3-inch hose down there at the bottom that's broken. Hard to get my camera in there, but it's in there. It's broken in half. Right down there. Right off that elbow, right through there. It's broken right there. Split all the way across. All right, here's the new battle plan for this engine. We're gonna change out all the hoses, everything. It doesn't matter what hose, where it's at, anywhere there's a hose, I'm having them replace everything. Okay, just so this doesn't happen again, because that line is coming right off this water jacket. See, right through here. This is like the radiator. Okay, he thought the cap blew. You know, he said this is the first thing he thought of, and I said, well, hell, that doesn't want to come off. But anyway, this is empty. But he thought this is what may have blown. Okay, but so this is the reservoir. This is the main line that comes off of it. And there's a T or an elbow right in here. And then right down there where I have my hand, right down there is where the brake is. Okay. So that's what's going on. And since there's so many hoses on this thing, I mean, they're everywhere, man. Especially when it comes to the cooling system on it. We're not going to take any chances. So that's the story. I'm having them do all of them. All right, over here at Jim's, and of course they're backed up. They got boats everywhere. And yeah, I'm starting to get what you guys are talking about. Boat means break out another 1,000. So here we go. I'm going to break out another probably a couple thousand to get this all squared away. Oh, that sun feels good, man. And you know what? I'm supposed to be at the beach. That's right. I'm supposed to be at the beach right now enjoying it. But oh no, I'm here at the boatyard, broken down. I'll talk to you guys tonight. The joys of boat ownership. Oh yeah. Can't beat it.